little faster, Max.
Well, hello, Glue Troopers. Max of Max's Models here. I wasn't even going to make a video today because we have some things going on here. But Sarah Jane sent me a link to a video that I just had to do a report on. And thank you for that, Sarah Jane. This is the All Japan Model Hobby Show of 2025. And a lot of us have been asking things like, where's my Godzilla -1 model? Well, here it is. Aoshima's put one out. And it looks very impressive and looks like it'd be pretty easy to build too. And they had a bunch of stuff by a company I've only heard of in passing called Artpla. And the King Ghidorah they put out looks very impressive. They have a lot of other stuff there too, including more Godzilla. So the kaiju are so well represented in this show. Then we had a company called Good Smile Company, which I have heard of. I don't think I've done a history on them, but I do know I've seen them. And they have their Max Factory, which is putting out a Mechagodzilla with a very detailed backpack. And that looks great. The one that kind of surprised me was Pit Road. I don't normally associate them with kaiju, but they have this great Godzilla diorama, which I'm like, oh my gosh, finally. That's what you need to really give your kaiju an effect, is a nice diorama like that. That's awesome. And I like that they made it large, you know, where the monster isn't just sitting on a small base with a few things under his feet. I mean, this is a scene from a movie. The other big player is TMK, Toho Monster Kits. They have those Godzillas that are just great. I don't think they've actually been around that long, but I did see some of them on eBay for about $106. So not cheap, but they're out there. But I haven't seen any of these things in any of the hobby shops or anything. So I'm not exactly sure what's going on there. Maybe they just sell them in Japan. And either way, it's something that I would love to have. And then, of course, there's X Plus, which you can find in the United States. And they have a real nice selection, including some scenes from Jurassic Park and a new King Kong mold, which I might add is in proper scale. And I'm happy to see that a lot of these companies are starting to focus on getting everything in scale. I really do think we live in the second golden era of kit models because we just have all of this incredibly detailed stuff that apparently fits extremely well. And they're paying a lot of attention to the details. Okay, guys, that's what I have for today. You take care of yourselves. I'll talk at you later. And as always, model on.